Toyota Camry Glorious Edition, yes really, is a Chinese special with sporty looks. The model is exclusively available in matte grey, combined with black badging and sharper aero. GAC-Toyota has launched a special edition of the Camry in the Chinese market. The Glorious Edition combines a matte paint with black accents and a generous kit. The sedan is fitted with a hybrid 2.0-liter engine producing 194 horsepower and 188 Nm. It seems that finding a cool name for a special edition is getting harder and harder for automakers. A good example is the sporty-looking Toyota Camry Glorious Edition that was recently launched in China with the goal of sparking customer interest in the hybrid sedan. The Camry Glorious Edition is exclusively available in the matte grey exterior shade, combined with a black finish for the Toyota emblems and the Camry lettering on the tailgate. The sporty bodykit includes a black grille, a pronounced splitter, a rear diffuser, and a lip spoiler at the back. Those can be combined with a set of 19-inch wheels, sending Lexus vibes. Inside, the special edition of the Camry features velvet and genuine leather upholstery, with the 64-color ambient lighting projecting a cool pattern on the dashboard and door cards. Equipment includes the digital cockpit with dual 12.3-inch screens, a head-up display, a Dynaudio premium sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. Furthermore, there is a boss key button that can adjust the position of the front passenger seat, creating more space for those being chauffeured. Under the hood lies a self-charging hybrid powertrain, which is based around a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. The combined output is 194 horsepower, 145 kilowatts/197 PS, and 188 Nm, 139 lb-ft of torque, transmitted to the front wheels. Note that Chinese buyers also have access to an IC-only option and a 2.5-liter hybrid. The Toyota Camry Glorious Edition is already available to order in China. Pricing starts at 202,800 yen, $27,800, for the HG trim, or 202,800 yen, $27,800, for the full-spec HXS. Since the debut of the 9th-generation Camry earlier this year, sales of the sedan in China have been slower than expected. Unlike its predecessor that was among the best-selling models in GAC-Toyota's lineup, the new Camry faces stronger competition from local sedan offerings.